I'd like to introduce you to our next speaker, Mr. Raul Reynoso. He's been dedicated to bicycle tourism since 2003 and began his journey into urban cycling in 2005. He established a group in 2006 for urban cycling in the city of Jalapa. Later, in December 2007, he founded the group Prociclismo Jalapa, and in 2009, the Civil Association Veracruz Bicycle. To promote urban cycling, he has made several trips by bicycle, some of them to Jalapa, Guadalajara, San Luis Potosí, Real de 14, and also Veracruz by bike, which the latter began a ride around the entire state of Veracruz, visiting over 60 cities. In 2008, he established the program promoting urban cycling as a road supervisor. And in 2011, his program received an international recognition at the Active Cities, Healthy Cities Summit, receiving first place in the category of sustainable transport and air quality. He has developed a training manual for urban cycling and a synthesis on bicycle cases, contingency, and disaster area. He resides here in the Rio Grande Valley now, and he's brought his program
yo voy hablando y ya tú vas
and is looking to form a
traduciendo,
school
por
of
favor.
urban cycling. Please welcome Mr. Raul Reynoso.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. My English is very little. It's my first time speaking in public, so I don't want to say something wrong. And Mr. Mario helped me in this work. Thank you very much. And thank you, Mario.
And bear with me, I'm going to translate as quickly as I can so you guys can get the gist of everything.
Queremos enviar gente a usar bicicleta y es muy importante que estas personas cuenten con el conocimiento necesario para evitar algún accidente o percance innecesario.
He wants to encourage people to ride bicycles, and it's important that they get the training needed to ensure that when they're operating the bike safely and that they know how to maneuver.
Por eso estoy proponiendo que se hagan escuelas de ciclismo urbano, donde con 2 personas, 2 instructores, se pueden atender hasta 600 personas en un mes.
What he's proposing is urban cycling schools that with a team of 2 instructors, you can instruct up to 600 cyclists in 1 week.
Estos ejercicios son muy básicos, tengo más ejercicios, pero es una pequeña muestra para que ustedes se den una idea de lo que trabajamos en una escuela de ciclismo urbano.
These are basic activities or training activities. He's got a lot more extensive activities, but he just wanted to give you a demonstration of how these basic ones work.
En teoría hablamos de educación vial, cómo debe de comportarse un ciclista en la calle.
Basically, what he's going to cover is how a cyclist should behave on the street.
Quiero presentarles a mis 2 bicicletas, mis 2 tesoros.
His 2 treasures, 2 bikes.
This is a recumbent. It's very comfort for every person. And this is a, ¿cómo se dice? La plegable. Holden. Thank you, Robin. Holden. Es muy efectiva cuando no se cuenta con este fabuloso sistema que nos ofrecen aquí en el Valle. Felicidades a Metro Valley y a Valley Metro, y felicidades a Metro McAllen.
He said that bike is very convenient when you don't count with the public transportation that has access to bike rides.
It's ready. In the car, in the bus, wherever. When the police say, don't pass here, don't worry. It's very easy, okay? It's ready. It's very easy. I recommend. Entonces voy a empezar los ejercicios. Es muy fácil. It's very easy. Then wherever can do it. ¿Ok? Esta es la E con la C. Es un ejercicio donde vamos a llevar el manubrio a giros bastante cerrados.
It's called an E to the C training. He's basically going to show you how to maneuver the bike on very tight turns.
Estamos al mismo tiempo enseñando a las personas a que usen el espacio de la mejor manera posible, que lo aprovechen.
And to maximize the use of the space, make sure that you use all the space.
Ahora voy a entrar a un cuadrado sencillo. Y doy 2 vueltas. Es importante que sean 2 vueltas.
Two turns, it's important that there's 2 turns.
Like to bear. Slalom en inglés. El zigzag. Zigzag. Y este es el 8.
This is an 8.
Uso el espacio lo mayor posible.
Using the most sufficient amount of space.
Esta pista se puede hacer más pequeña para personas avanzadas.
And you can change the size of the course that will be
Acabo de pasar el carril angosto y este es el carril lento. Slow, 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 sin bajar los pies. Este es el cuadro doble donde vamos a jugar con una imagen visual. En el centro hay un cuadro pequeño.
There's a small square in the middle, and use it as a visual effect.
Y ahora viene un trabajo con movimiento de mano.
Using your hands.
De cell phone. Y ahora me voy en transporte público. Thank you very much. Any question?
Any questions? We need to engage Mr. Reynoso, and Mr. Reynoso also wants to engage us in getting on the bicycles.
So if you're wearing shorts and doing an obstacle course and then getting on the bus, I understand, but how easy is it if you're going to work or dress or, I mean, really, how can I apply it? How can I use it?
It's very possible. In any occasion. Oh, thank you. En cada ocasión. Any occasion. Bueno, okay, please. Es muy fácil. En cada ocasión hay diferentes tipos de bicicletas para que tú puedas vestir así como estás y no te sientas incómoda.
He says that there's many different types of bicycles that you can find a bicycle that's adequate for you based on how you dress regularly for work.
Debemos de trabajar para que las empresas establecidas y también para que se hagan más empresas traigan productos adecuados a las condiciones de esta región.
He says it's also important that established companies and maybe additional companies that come in to provide the bikes that are adequate for this region.
Y que la infraestructura también ayude al ciclista a enfrentar las condiciones naturales y culturales de la zona.
As well as having the local infrastructure be adequate for the natural for the place here.
También anexo que invitar a las empresas Poner baños es muy importante porque de la casa al trabajo puedo llegar con otra ropa, me baño, cambio mi ropa, trabajo.
And also encourage employers to provide facilities that they can shower and get ready for work if they ride their bikes.
Any other questions?
Podemos acercar, si quieres, para no estemos con el micrófono. a
Will
distancia.
you tell us a little bit more about your organization, the Urban Cycling School? Like, is it I guess it's in the beginning stages of an organization. That's kind of what I gathered from this. Are you going to be targeting mostly adults, or are you going to be looking to teach children as well?
¿A quién le puedo enseñar? ¿A quién le puedo enseñar?
I don't think we need the mic. I think it's fine.
We need the mic.
Oh, we do?
Oh,
Okay.
thank you. ¿A quién le puedo enseñar?
Si básicamente quiere saber a quién le puede enseñar, si
Ok.
está empezando la compañía. Y si está
Ok.
para niños.
En Estados Unidos estoy empezando. Llevo 6 meses viviendo aquí. Llevo 9 años trabajando en este proyecto. En México tenemos buenos resultados y espero aquí también los podamos tener.
Yeah, in the U.S., he's barely starting. He's only got 6 months here in the U.S., but in Mexico, he's been working on this project for 9 years with really good results and hopes that he can bring those same results here.
Este programa es tanto para escuelas de diferentes niveles como para empresas y público en general.
And the program's designed for either companies or individuals of any age and also of any ability, depending on their abilities as well.
Y opino que es un excelente complemento para el trabajo que bien ha hecho durante tantos años Robin con Bike Texas.
And he says that this would complement what Robin's been doing with Bike Texas in his projects.
Any other questions?
Just a clarification, because in Spanish it was 1 week and in English it was 1 month. Well, how long does it take for that $600 or 600?
A lo mejor
Sí.
me equivoqué, los 600 es en un mes o en una semana.
En un mes.
Oh, it was a month, it was my mistake.
Two instructors, 1 month. Yeah.
I don't know the difference between a week and a month.
¿Tiene algo más que enseñar?
Es-
Porque tenemos más tiempo.
es-
No sé si quiere mostrarles alguna otra.
Quiero invitarlos a todos a que trabajemos.
He wants to invite and encourage everybody to come out and work with him if you're interested in participating.
Y que podamos lograr que el Valle sea un ejemplo en Texas y que mejore en el país.
And so that the valley could be, an exemplary place in Texas and in the country with innovative ways to use cycling.
Viendo tantas voluntades hoy, estoy seguro que sí podemos.
And looking at how, the interest that you guys have shown, he's sure that it can be done.
Y quiere invitar a alguien a que tome el...
Somebody, do you like, try this skill test? It's very easy.
Invite someone from our audience to try this obstacle course. Do we have any volunteers?
I think.
We have several cyclists. Virginia.
Virginia, come on.
Wonderful, Virginia. We also want to invite you to please board the Valley Metro bus so that you can take a look and ask questions. And we will be headed back into the international room in a couple of minutes. Our caterers are right now setting up for a wonderful lunch. For those of you who are with us for the first
Please,
time, we apologize
Mom.
for this inconvenience, but this is how
Yes.
we schedule our
I want to
workshops
see
allow
this
us to
high
have
is
time
good for
a
you.
Wonderful, wonderful plated lunch.
Yes.
So, this allows you an opportunity
How do you
to
feeling?
engage your speakers
Right?
and
Wait
to
a
ask
moment,
them
please.
questions.
Wait a moment. Vamos a hacer una pequeña demostración de cómo trabajamos con los ciclistas.
He's going to provide a brief demonstration of how he works with cyclists.
Tenemos que enseñarles la posición arriba de la bicicleta,
He has to show them the proper positioning on the bike.
porque si no nuestra fuerza se puede ir no a la tracción y hasta lastimar las rodillas.
It says that if you're not adequately sitting on a bicycle, you won't be able to maximize your traction and also have problems with your knees.
Normalmente la gente piensa que los pies deben de estar bien puestos en el piso y no todas las bicicletas permiten que esa sea la posición correcta cuando vamos en movimiento.
It says that contrary to popular belief, you shouldn't have your feet on the ground necessarily. So a lot of people adjust the seats based on that, but sometimes you might have to be a little bit higher in order to be able to get the full traction on the bike.
También es importante saber escoger la bicicleta adecuada a nuestras necesidades.
And you also need to know how to choose the bike that's adequate for your needs.
Tanto de que vamos a cargar como las distancias que vamos a recorrer.
Whether it be because of whatever we're going to carry or the distance that we're going to travel.
En este caso estamos usando una bicicleta muy propia de ciudad.
This bicycle is very appropriate for urban or metro area.
Podemos llevar el portafolio o la bolsa
Carry our briefcase or purse
y, como ya vimos, doblar y entrar a todos lados.
and take it anywhere you want.
Vamos a empezar siempre yendo junto a la persona porque no sabemos si puede realmente maniobrar la bicicleta.
It says you follow closely with the rider just to make sure that he can maneuver the bike.
Muchas personas manejan hasta 200 kilómetros, pero en línea recta, y muchos años lo han hecho. Pero cuando les ponemos esta pista, no logran hacerla.
It says that people have used bikes to travel long distances over 200 miles, but when you get in an obstacle course like this, it might not be as easy because they're used to the driving in a linear fashion.
Dos cosas importantes. Una, la bendición a nuestro ciclista, y nuestro seguro de vida, responsabilidad. Okay? It's a job. Okay, are you ready, Virginia? Okay.
My foot's not right here. I need to get this forward a little bit so I can get on my right foot here. Start out.
Okay, I go with you.
What are we going to do now?
Take the lane
Like you did.
and use all the space, please. All the space. You try.
Ready?
Right now.
Something happened?
Don't worry.
Okay.
Return.
Return. Okay.
Return.
Okay.
This is good. Don't worry. Wherever, return in the starting.
Uh-huh.
To the
To
starting.
the starting. Uh-huh.
Yes, please.
I always wanted to try a folding bike. A friend tried to sell me one last weekend. I may go buy it.
It's normal. It's new bike for you. Your bike is different. Take it easy.
You have to believe in yourself.
Yeah. It's a strong word, but it's good word. There. Hold. Got it.
Now which way? We better stop here. Anybody
Don't
else
worry.
do this?
No, you can do it. This point.
Try.
Oh. One more time. This my Virgin.
Okay.
One more time, no problem. Don't worry.
Okay.
It's very easy. It's the first time, and you
The hard
go
part's getting my foot
very
across.
nice, very nice.
What are we going to do now?
You can do there in the square.
Uh-huh.
Only one time,
Go
okay?
into the square.
In the square. There is the enter.
I don't understand how to turn out of the square.
Here. You got it?
Got it.
Here.
Okay. Whoops. Ooh, that's kind of sharp turning.
And the slalom,
Uh-huh.
you know?
This way?
Yes. Here. Slalom.
Okay, this way.
This and return.
Okay, return.
Right.
Return.
The eight. Right.
Right. Okay.
To wrong.
My Spanish isn't as good today as it should be.
Okay. Thank you.
What else?
The right.
Right?
Right. Yes.
Right.
And the stretch lane. No.
No, sorry.
Don't worry. There is the stretch
That little yellow one?
leg. Yes, that's right.
Okay.
And there, here, yellow. Slow, slow. Again, the square. Right. Right now, 2 times, please, 2 times. Pedal. That's right. Very nice, Virginia.
I have to relax.
And return. Okay, you want 3 times? No problem. No problem. 3 times is good for you. And then for there.
Go to the bus?
Yes.
Okay, we'll go to the bus.
Oh,
That's okay. I've learned how to fall. Are you okay, Roll?
are you okay? Hey, wait a moment. No move, no move. First, this is a normal. It's big. How do you feeling?
Fine. I no broken bones when I feel one, and I don't
Oh.
have one right now.
Nice.
I've had 2 broken ankles, but this
No.
is today.
Oh, call to 911. So you can levantarte, ¿cómo es? You can get it alone.
I can get up
Alone.
Yes, like this.
Alone.
Like this. Like
That's right.
this. And like this. Arriba.
Okay. Bravo.
I did this rehearsal the other day at Jackson, and I'm okay.
Okay.
Yes, thank you, Roll.
Okay, wait a moment. This is a good example porque acabamos de ver la importancia de que sean 2 instructores.
He just showed, it's a good example because it shows how important it is that you have 2 instructors.
Beside, okay? And 2 persons is more easy when happen this. So, the helmet, los guantes, ¿cómo se dice?
Helmet, the gloves.
The gloves, and sometimes here and here is very important when it's the first time in the bike. Okay? Virgin use the bike 2 times per week, 1 time, 2 times per week.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
I ride a 30-mile trip now. If Cyclistas wants to go 30 miles, I can ride 30 miles on a Saturday.
That's right.
But I only started back October 1 when we had the bike rodeo in Edinburgh. I got started. I went to the Edinburgh World Birding Center. That was about a 5-mile each way.
Do you see that? Many people use the bike but don't move the bike in this form. When you go in the street, maybe 1 car, 1 dog, 1 people, another cycling, cross your path, and this is the point. So, in this bicycle school, the urban cycling teach how use your body when fall. You know, it's very important. The helmet save, but no evita, ¿verdad? Evite. Okay, so instalamos un piso suave
They install a soft floor.
y les enseñamos movimientos para caer.
How to brace your fall if you were to fall off your bike.
It's very important. Si queremos enviar gente a la calle para usar bicicleta, es muy importante enseñar. Este es el punto que puede ayudar a mucha más gente a sentir confianza y usar bicicleta.
If you're going to send people to ride their bikes in the streets, that they have to, 1, know how to do it and feel confident that they can maneuver the bike.
Eso, ¿alguna pregunta?
And that's pretty much it, unless you guys have more questions.
No? Everything is okay? Okay. Well, thank you very much. Thank you, Virgin.
You're welcome. Thank you. I like your uniform.
Oh, thank you. Este no lo terminamos porque es más difícil soltar manubrio. No finish this because it's the second level.
Thank you, Virginia. I need to make sure that you're okay.
Yes, I'm okay.
You're okay.
I've had broken ankles in Oaxaca.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
And then they fall.
Yes. You got it?
And this one?
That's
Just
right.
pull it?
Here.
Oh, that's the lock?
Uh-huh.
And then what?
That's right. Yes, you got it. It's here, one hand here. It's very different in this. But you want try for right?
I want to
No,
see you
it's-
on it.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, you can do it. Yes, you got it. That's right. But not
But not
impossible.
so much.
It's
you're
a
relaxed.
little. It's all with the cars. You have maybe drive one truck.
But what about gravity? I don't know gravity in Spanish.
in Spanish either.
La gravedad. La gravedad.
Gravedad.
Sí,
Exactamente.
sí, la gravedad es diferente.
Ajá.
Es diferente.
Es
Pero más fácil para manejar, para
Avanzar
sí.
es más fácil porque cut the wind, cortas el viento.
Less wind drag, yeah.
And then, no, you receive all wind in your body, in all body. In this, no.
okay.
It's more easy.
Yeah, you're not bent over.
That's right.
Okay, I'll try it. How do I do it?
You try? Okay, but this
Un
one,
moment,
please,
un
I
moment.
need,
I'm gonna- yeah.
it's more bigger for you. Pedal, 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 pedal. It's normal. It's the first time.
Yeah, this is. That's why I'm trying it because I'll never get a chance.
Yeah, but I like this one because you don't put the weight on your seat.
Yeah, exactly.